TR here. This video will help you successfully complete the Writing a Resume assignment. If we look at Resume Writing 101 content page, my best advice is to carefully read all the information that it's provided, as well as accessing the Identifying Your Accomplishments link. Moving on to the second content page, here we talk about items to include in a resume. Job objective statement. This is critical. Your resume should have this at the beginning or at the top of your document, beneath their name, of course. And the point of this is the rest of your resume should be working to show why you are the best candidate for that job. Again, carefully read all the information and look for any links that we may have that will help you. The third content page is the actual assignment page. There's a video, and here we look at 3 different types of resumes. I would strongly suggest that you open these links and that you look at the resumes and you make a decision as to which resume you're going to use. Whichever resume you're going to use, be sure to follow this information here that's bolded for you. Remember, your objective identifies the job you are seeking. This is the foundation for all the information you'll be providing the prospective employer. There's not much point in talking about a skill that has no relevance to the type of job you're seeking. Regarding the marking rubric, this is the link. If we click on this link, it will open up this document, and I always strongly suggest that you review the marking rubric before you submit your assignments. You can see that the excellent assignments, the excellent in your resume rubric needs to have these points here. Okay. If you have any questions or concerns, please let me know using your private discussions. I'm always here to help. Thank you. Oh, before we go, remember, this is the link on the menu bar that you need to use and where you will find this submission folder, Writing Resume. And it is in this folder you will upload your document. Thank you. Have a great day. Bye now.